the wind velocity right now is about 8 to 12 meters per second. It changes a lot, and we want to see how stable this beauty can be in this Norwegian wind. So, with no further ado, let's test this baby out. Now we have turned on the Mavic Pro, and we have a wind velocity as it measures here about 9 meters per second. That is a lot for the Mavic Pro. It's almost at the maximum. And I got beginner mode on just to test beginner out, and we're going to try it on normal mode after that. So first, what we're going to do is start the engines by pulling these two throttles horizontally, diagonally down, and you get it. Turn them off, you do the same. But today we're going to do the auto takeoff. So we just slide it and it's going to go. It is very steady, as you can see. It tries its best. So as you can see, it is very steady. And now the wind is coming up, you can see the wind. See how steady that is. This is very steady. Now we're going to try to fly a little bit higher up. It uses about 12 satellites to keep it in track. Because of that, you can see it's very stable. You can see actually the tree, how much it is moving. And it is really, really it is very stable, and that is a good thing, because higher up there means way more. Let's try a little bit higher. Let's go up to, we're about 3 meters, let's go up to 10 meters. That is about, that's 13 meters. And now the wind is picking up. And it says large wind velocity, fly with caution, but it stays put. That is amazing. It moves a little bit back and forth, but that is actually the way it should be. But this is really well. As you can see on the what do you call it, trees, there's a lot of wind. Now let's try 20 meters. That is 20 meters. And it's actually at the same place.
Wow. Can't even see it.
Can't you?
It's so damn bright.
Wait, you zoomed in, aren't you?
Yeah. Oh.
A little bit there, I think.
Oh, there it is, okay.
Okay. Now we crank it up at 20 meters and it's very, very stable. Oh, now the wind is picking up again, let's see. That is beginner mode. My radar says keep it a high wind velocity, fly with caution. But I think we should crank it up to 30 meters, which is the maximum in beginner mode.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
There we go. 30 meters. That is amazing. And now you probably can see it's flashing green or red. That is because it says fly with caution, it's too much wind. So let's take the baby down again. we missed that. So, as you can see, that was beginner mode. Now, we're gonna switch off beginner mode. So now, we try it with no beginner mode. It's pro mode, I guess it's called. Let's see, this might go horribly wrong, or well. As you can see, it's very steady. Oh, it's beeping. I'm in the way. I'm a little bit in the way. I'm going back behind the camera, in front of the camera a little bit. But as you can see, it's really stable. Let's crank it up to 30 meters straight up. So as you can see, it's actually staying very well. My cameraman is actually standing in a weird position, that's funny. Anyways, so yeah, that is very steady. I think we should try out.
Where is the camera?
50 meters. We're going up to 50 meters.
It's really hard when it's not focusing.
So, as you can see, it is very stable. As you can see on the footage we got on the screen right here, as you can see, it's filming us. And it is actually very stable. I'm at actually 51 meters. My camera is my phone is very broken, but as you can see down there, it says 50 meters.
It's probably way too bright.
Okay, way too bright. Anyways, but it actually says 50 meters. Let's crank it up. Oh, caution, large wind velocity. But it doesn't care. It doesn't even care, guys. Let's crank it up to 100. $90. Now it's at 100. And it's actually very stable, as you can see.
Stays put.
We're still here. It's still recording and everything. Okay, the wind picks up. That's very nice. I like that. Oh, it's moving a little bit, but not much. Let's bring it over down again. So I haven't moved it at all. I've just taken it up, and now we go straight down. Let's see how far it actually was moved by the wind.
Now it's going up. Yep, that's about it.
So as you can see, it moved about 2 meters or something. That is amazing. So guys, this was actually an easy wind review of this DJI Mavic Pro. Try to keep it professional, and let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this, what I should try next, and subscribe if you want more videos. You can always check out my drone videos and my first slide at the end of the video. And this is Philipp photography. Remember to capture, take it, and share it. Goodbye.